Hi, today in front of me Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's just open the screen where you want to add the widget, and just to add it we should hold for a while our device screen with the finger, and then on the down just section of your bottom you will see the widgets icon. Click here, and after that we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can add the calendar widget. Here we can use the mouse view or the shadow. Just to add the widget we should click once on the widget, and now it's just successfully added to your home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. Just if you want to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, and just to create a new screen you should hold and drag the widget to the left or to the right side of the bottom. And just to remove it you should hold it and then just tap to remove icon and confirm your action. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.